The great Guru Dattatreya gave advice to Parashurama about the Devi worship in the form of 18,000 hymns. This edited by the Sumed, disciple of Parashurama, in the form of 6,000 hymns and 10 chapters. Again it edited by the rest of the people, and it also happened. So here we are following the main things from Parashurama Kalpa Sutra. Through this text we can go through the basics of Sri Vidya sadhana properly. What is Sri Vidya, what is the importance of Sri Vidya, how to do everything included in this system. First we have to understand the aspects of Sri Vidya. The base of Tantra, helping the person, helping the sadhaka from this world, normal world, to supernatural, the inside world. There are different world, Annamaya world. Somebody is located in this material world. They can see the material things only. They have to eat something and they sleep. That is only that concerns are there. They are related to Mooladhara Chakra. So they have lots of sufferings, but they don't know how to happen in this. They cannot relate with the reasons because they are more concentrated in the material, physical world. That is Annamaya Kosha. Devi is Panchakoshandara Sthita. She is, this is a Nama and Lila Sasnama. Panchakoshandara Sthita. Somebody is there, they cannot relate the movements of how the things are coming against to me. They cannot relate, and so they cannot find a solution never ever in this life. But somebody is connected with the Shiva Bodha, the awareness, the ultimate awareness, and they can understand the things, they can relate the things by the thinking process. They are living in the world of mental world. That is more related to others. If I have an infection from my body, and it can be transferred immediately if I will touch only. But if you have any negatives in your mind, through my body language, immediately it will affect you. If your family member is disturbed, naturally the disturbance will come to you also, immediately. Through the body language, we will start to disturbed. So we'll ask, why you are sitting like this, what happened? They are living in the world of mind, that is Manomaya Kosha, mental body. If you do the sadhana with Satatam Shivada Samaveshadi, great Sri Vidya sadhana properly, in the way of connection with Shiva, the awareness, you can go to the level of energy, Shakti. This is Shakti worship. How we can learn the Shakti through the observation of Shakti in the way of worshipping. So then only she will reveal. Then only we can understand what is Shakti, how it is working. Then we can only free from our karmas. We can break the chain of karma. That is the main question of great spiritual methods. How to break the chain of karma. When you can understand the energy, then only we can deviate the energy some other way and we can free from the karmas. Animals can do simply the same way, observation. We can understand the people, this person is right or wrong, this food is right or wrong. Everything we can understand properly. Then we will enter in the world of energy world. In a business, if you put in the form of money, you are putting the energy. If you work in a company for work, as a one person, you can earn very little amount. But if you can manage, if you can give the energy, positive energy to 100 people, your salary will be bigger. If you manage thousands of people from different branches of a country, you will earn massive amount. How? Because you are putting that much of positive energy to that much of people. That is the secret of Shakti worship. How to give the energy or how to deal the energy and attain the material things and finish the desire and go to inside of samadhi without distraction, confusion. Clearly we can go to inside. But if you have a desire, desire is outfaced. We have to handle properly. That is the concern of Sri Vidya. If you can complete the Pranamaya Kosha, that is energy body, we discussed about that. We can go to Vijnanamaya Kosha. Vijnanamaya Kosha is the knowledge body. If you are searching for the door in a dark room, immediately the lightning is coming. Oh, this is the door. You got the Vijnana, knowledge. Naturally the Anandamaya Kosha stimulated, the happiness came. You will smile, this is the way of door. So you are elated for 1 second. Immediately the mind will come, I have to go there, I have to do this one. Then the future came. Yesterday I did this one, the past came. Then we will come to the world of thought process, the senses connection of present awareness lost. Senses are working in present, full of our life we are living in present, but we are living in thinking wrongly. We are thinking we are in future or past, actually we are living in present. We cannot live in future or past, but we are imagination, we are imagining we are living for that in future or by that in past. Sri Vidya is supporting in that time to connect with the Anandamaya Kosha. Then we can completely experience the bliss of enlightenment, the Paramatma, the Shiva, that is Mangala. So the great Parashurama Kalpa Sutra starting by the word Atha. Atha means that is Mangala, means the goodness of blessings. Om is also same meaning some other way. Athado Diksham Vyakyasyama. The main 3 letters are there. There is 3 main words are there. Atha, Diksha, Vyakyasya. Atha means actually next. So next I am talking about Diksha. But the text starting with these sentences. Normally when we will say the next before that we have had to do something. But simply the text is starting with Atha. Means there's lot of meaning is included in that word. Atha. If you want to learn mathematics, we have to had a prior reason. Something related to job or something related to interest, something related to exam, then after I will get this one or that one. There is so many things are there. The seeker should be that much of serious. Then next we can go through the Parashurama Kalpa Sutra or the Sri Vidya. The Tantric system insists in some qualities to practice Tantric system. So that qualities are mentioning here. If you don't have that qualities, you can come to Sri Vidya and start the Sri Vidya, naturally it will stop. She knows what have to do. If you are eligible, naturally the things will come to you. From this Acharya or that Acharya or this book or that book, it will come. That is the system. If you don't have any niyoga for that, it will lose. Don't worry about that. You will get also if you have the quality. So disciple should have some quality. That is not related to the birth or the caste or gender discriminations. Anybody can do Sri Vidya. He should have some qualities. Before practicing Sri Vidya, he have to be bothered about that in his character and the seriousness, the way of behavior, attitude, everything is important.